That is an apple that he's eating, if you cannot tell. He has no teeth yet. He is really getting down. Is that good? Take another bite. That's great, isn't it? It's yummy. An apple away keeps the doctor away. I think I said that wrong, but you guys know how it goes. Now now you don't want to eat it now. You're videotaped. Excuse me. Take a bite.
Your eye cream puts the spotlight on just wrinkles. New Olay Infinity Eye Illuminator fights to look the wrinkles, creping, and under eye darkness.
Now don't rush me. I have to really chew it up really good.
Infinity Eye Illuminator for luminous, highly defined eyes. Ready?
Is it good?
Here's a lesson that's easy to learn.
Yum.
Can taste great with new Nutripal's fruit bars. The only kid snack bar with one serving of real fruit, 9 times more fruit than
Baby show.
bar. And kids love them.
Show boy.
New Nutripal's fruit bars. Nutritious is now delicious in the baby toddler aisle.
What's wrong with kids in this town? Creepy, stare at you like your lunch kids.
What's wrong, Mommy?
You're not my son.
Hi, Mommy.
Supernatural on this Thursday, 9/8 Central on the CW.
Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Apple.
Okay, Mrs. Moore, take care. Were you just talking to my mom? For 2 hours?
Yes, 70s, the commune. Sounds awesome.
The 70s?
Wow. Dennis Hopper, how could you not have told me about that? What are you talking about? Hello, your godfather?
Don't touch me.
Did you say I can't talk to your mom?
Shut up.
That's not a no.
Introducing T-Mobile Hotspot at home. Get unlimited calling at home with the first mobile phone that works on Wi-Fi. T-Mobile. Stick together.
This is Mom.